Candice, very good. And no, not just about previous class. Previous few classes. Last unit. Yeah, stand up, stand up. Combustion and flame. And calorific value. And the factor. Very good. So we discussed about combustion, flame, calorific value,
heat, light,
and different kinds of fuels, and ignition temperature, how it catches fire,
boiling point,
and what and all required for the
ignition,
flame to continue, and how we can increase or decrease
flame,
ignition temperature by using some of the flames or by using some of the solvents. We are doing that, right? When we pour some water on the paper, what is happening? Ignition temperature. It is increasing. We did the experiment that day. When we poured some water on the paper, ignition temperature got increased.
yes sir,
Okay? Then, okay. What will happen if we take a block of wood and we pour some petrol on it?
the ignition decrease,
Ignition temperature
Decreases.
Decreases. Very good. So we can even change the ignition temperature. And okay, what will happen? Okay. I'll ask you a question. Can we generate flame without using fire?
externally, no sir,
Can we?
rapid one stone,
Not stones and all. Not friction at all. Without using friction or without using any source of light or flame, how can we generate fire?
sunlight,
Very
magnifying
good.
glass,
Sunlight.
magnifying glass,
But how we are doing it?
Sir,
Stand up, steady. Very good.
sir, we're keeping on paper sir,
Yeah.
and the sunrise,
We will concentrate sun rays on
Magnifying
a
glass.
particular place of
paper,
paper. Then what will happen?
the paper will catch fire sir.
Okay,
And it
so
will
what's
go-
happening in the process?
The
So
sunlight-
here, very good. Yeah, first it will get heat. Very good.
It will get hot.
It will catch fire easily. So what we are doing there? We are making it to reach the ignition temperature of it.
Yes sir,
See, ignition temperature is nothing but the minimum temperature
which requires an object to burn,
for an object to
to
catch
burn
fire. Okay? Can we discuss? Now let us see about some of the fuels. Okay, if we keep using fuels, can we use it for some million years?
no sir,
No. Then what will happen? Why do we say save petrol, save water?
so because the petroleum gases are very less in our earth sir,
Very good, stand up.
it will
There are limited sources of
petroleum gases sir. Yes sir, by
Okay.
using it always it will be decreases every time
It
sir,
will be decreased.
every time,
Yeah.
and that's why we'll say save petrol sir.
Okay, very good. Do you all agree with your friend?
Yes sir.
Okay. But do you know how petrol is prepared?
Sir, by digging
Wait,
the
wait. You say.
by digging the
Enough. Sit. Now let's give chance to any of our friend Emmanuel. By digging the land. Very good. Your friend Emmanuel is saying we will find the petrol
Under the land.
under the
sea,
some layers of earth or under the sea. We will find petrol or will find
Sir.
petroleum or crude oil in the
Sir, no, sir.
What?
No.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, sir, in sea there will be no you will tell us from
Yeah.
sea we dig petrol,
Yeah.
but in Arabic countries there will be no seas, no sir, how could they can petrol?
Okay, very good. I will tell you now. I will tell you now how petrol is prepared. How petroleum is made in the surface. Very good.
Sir, the bond
From?
of precious and
Decomposed
body.
body. Okay. Now I will tell you how petrol is prepared. How petrol is prepared. Are we preparing it?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Are we
We
preparing
make
it?
petrol into petrol.
Okay, wait.
We make petrol
Okay,
into
there is correction in
Petroleum, sir.
there is correction in question. petroleum. Are we how petroleum is prepared? Are we preparing petroleum?
No, sir.
No, right? We are just preparing. We are extracting, not preparing even. We are just separating.
Separating.
What at all we are getting from this petroleum?
Diesel, kerosene, oil,
Petrol,
crude oil,
diesel, kerosene, wax, and some other chemicals. Okay. Now let us understand how petroleum is prepared. By which process?
by digging the
By digging. Okay. We are not preparing it by digging. We are just extracting
Extracting.
it. See, we are having no role in preparing petroleum. We are just obtaining it. We are just consuming it from our earth. Yeah, please. Yeah, very good. Stand up. Guru Mahesh, right? Okay. Okay. Let us take opinions of your friends. Dead bodies of fishes. Still I can hear some noise. Silence. Very good. Dead bodies and waste matter. Yeah, please. Very good doubt. Okay, I'll answer you this after answering how petroleum is prepared.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
you're telling my dead bodies in waste matter, sir. That means for a day, lakhs of dead bodies will die, no, sir.
Exactly, very good question, Sujit. See, good doubt, Sujit. Yeah, nearly some lakhs of people are dying nowadays. Lakhs of dead bodies, not just people, even animals and all. Okay? So your friend is saying,
అది చనిపోతుంది కదా
Yeah.
చనిపోయినప్పుడు ఆ బాడీ కుళ్ళినంత వరకు పెట్రోలియం రాస్తారు కుళ్ళినంత వరకు
very good. Emmanuel is saying, sir, it takes some time to decompose itself into petrol. Okay, but how much time?
Thousands of years.
Okay, if we can do that.
Millions of years.
Okay. Let me tell you. Okay, there are some waste material. There are some plants, huge trees, which die and fall on the earth. And there are some dead bodies and fishes in the earth. So what these are doing? These are depositing itself into
Decomposing.
depositing and decomposing like layers. Okay?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా డెడ్ బాడీస్ అంటే ప్రాణం పోలేదు
Yeah, very good. Okay. First, all these dead bodies are depositing on the earth surface. See, there won't be anything under the earth. Everything will be on the earth itself. And it forms as a layer. Because of depositing of other layers. See, it takes some millions of years. You can't even imagine. Millions. You know million?
Yes, sir.
Million means? 10 lakh.
10 lakhs.
Not crore, 10 lakh.
Sir,
Yeah.
okay, you are telling us 10 lakh millions years, no, sir.
Yeah, 10 lakh years.
Then how do we get petrol from that many years we are waiting, no, sir?
Very good, very good.
Now we are getting how?
See, huh?
Now we are getting how, sir?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I am saying. See, these material are deposited on the surface of the earth. And there are many layers. No. Do it. Like that. What? Okay, stand up. So see, these are covered by many other layers because it's taking so much time. No, many layers will get deposited on it, and it will go deep after some years. Then what will happen when it is at this much deep? This is all the weight right on it. This is the weight that should bear. So much is on it, on its head. So it should be under compression. So much pressure will be there. So much weight will be there on the head of, head of it. Digging chapter. Okay, first we will discuss how it will be prepared. Then we will discuss about. Yeah.
అంటే ప్రతి ఊర్లో నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోతారు ప్రతి ఊర్లో కాపాడతారు కదా సార్ కానీ కొన్ని దేశాల్లోనే ఎక్కువ పెట్రోల్ దొరుకుతుంది
Very good doubt. Very good doubt. Sit down. clearly. See, at those times, there is no proof that there are living beings in everywhere. Can you say like yes sir, there are people in my village even before millions years? Can you
No,
say
sir.
like that? No, right? People existed in only some places. Okay, stand up.
Sir, because of in some countries only will be there that dimensions like.
Yeah, exactly. Only at those times, only in some places people lived, animals lived, and trees were existing.
సార్ మరి ఇప్పుడు దుబాయ్ డెజర్ట్ కదా సార్
Yeah, Dubai is desert now. Can you say it was desert even from before?
Yes, sir.
We can't say that. There are many climatic changes. Who knows? Maybe it can be some evergreen forest at that time.
సార్ మరి శాండ్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్
Yes, sand will be there. See, environment is not fixed every time. It will keep changing itself according to the condition. If you also do so much deforestation,
Sir.
even this can be a desert after some 100 years.
Sir.
What we are living now.
దుబాయ్ వర్షం పడుతుందా?
Very rare. Rare to rare.
Sir,
Dekha. What?
సహారా డిజర్ట్ రా ఏదో కడిన
Ah, yeah, it is there. Hey, Miru. See, because of the more compression, because of the more pressure on it, it will get converted into petrol. Even under the sea, the same thing happens. See, in a sea, those which are dead, first they will float. Yeah, you people are right. Who told that? Yeah, very good. First it will float, but after decomposing, it will reach the surface of the seabed. Then even in this, some of the layers will get deposited and it will also go deep. Then under compression, again some petrol will be formed here. Okay? And some of you ask, what is it? Sir, it is sea. How we can extract petroleum from sea? Very good doubt.
థాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah. See, while extracting petrol, we will arrange pipes so that it will not get mixed with this seawater. We will arrange pipes. See, this is very costly machinery. We will arrange pipes and we will take petrol into tanks. Okay? So how petroleum is formed? Because of pressure from the organic material at that time. Organic means living and plants and all other material. Okay? And any other doubts? Ask now. Once the topic is done, you can ask. No doubts? Okay. Let's discuss it. So it is taking. Yeah.
సార్
Stand.
మరి ఆ డిగ్గింగ్ చేసిన పెట్రోల్ బయటకు రాకుండా అందులో నుంచి ఒక ఏదైనా బయట ఉందా
Pipe right?
పైపే కాకపోతే డిగ్గింగ్ చేసిన పైపు
Machinery around them. See, you are using pipes in your field, right? The same mechanism.
సార్ అంటే
It will also bring out the petrol.
వాటర్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్ అదే వేస్తారు కదా
Yeah, same way.
Sir.
Waterproof.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
We will extract petrol in the same way, right? And what else? Any other doubts? What? Petrol? కింద ఉందని ఒక వేరు. Your friend will say that.
సార్ అంటే సీలోకి వేవ్స్ పంపిస్తారు సార్
Very good, very good.
ఆ వేవ్స్ వల్ల
See, ఆ waves వల్ల
ఆ వేవ్స్ వల్ల పెట్రోల్ ఉందో లేదో తెలుస్తుంది సార్
very good. See, now we are having many technologies. Now we are having many technologies which can detect what is there just by sending the waves into the earth. We can find out what is there inside it. Yes, stand up.
Sir, the telling of petroleum is only one part. So many materials, kerosene like that.
Yeah,
But why sir they will call as kerosene? Why not call petroleum?
very good. That. See, when we are extracting, there is some difference in the properties of it. Not everything is same. We can't use kerosene in our vehicles, right? Because of the quality change, because of the quality change, and because of the uses of it, we call it with different names.
Sir, but digging is from government will be done or private?
It depends on the countries. At once upon a time, even in Dubai, there are some of the mines which are under control of private people. Now everything went under government.
In India, but some private will be there, sir, private petrol bunks.
Yeah.
Sir, I asked my sir.
Yeah.
All the people is living in some places only.
Yeah. Because once upon a time, biodiversity is present at some of the places. That's why it is getting deposited there and we are getting petroleum there. petrol and some of the even coal. Coal is also prepared in the same way.
Boggu.
Yeah, not this normal coal. Coal is of two types. Normal coal and the coal we are getting from the earth surface. The coal we are getting. Yeah. The coal we are getting from earth surface will be hard. Hard and it will be like it will carry fire for more time. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now let us discuss. Okay, will this get over after some time if we use more this petroleum? Wait, no, sir. Next topic. Will this petroleum get over after some years?
I think
Of course it will, because if we see, it is taking some millions of years to get itself into petroleum, but we are using it very easily. So if we continue the same process, yeah, we may get, but the amount will be decreased after some time. Okay, that's why we call petroleum is limited. Wait, yeah. Okay, so what are these kind of resources are called as? Those resources which are limited. Is there any term for that? Where you start? No. There are some of the materials like coal and petroleum and some of the minerals which are limited in availability.
diamonds.
No, those are called as exhaustible. Write down. Exhaustible.
Write down it.
Exhaustible. Open page number 83 in old textbook. Old textbook. Chapter coal and petroleum. Okay. If we use these kind of exhaustible resources, this will run out of availability after some years. Write down exhaustible and hyphen exhaustible hyphen write limited. Limited. Okay, wait. Now I ask you a question. What are we taking? I mean, what are we using for breathing? O2, right? Oxygen. Will this get exhausted one day?
What, sir?
Will this O2 get exhausted one day?
That is becoming to carbon dioxide.
Yeah, very good. When these are not there, but it is not so easy. O2 is inexhaustible. It is not so easy. O2 and water we can recycle it. See, O2 we are recycling with the help of trees. When there is some source for recycling, it is called as inexhaustible. It won't be over within some time because it is completely recycling itself continuously. Yes, stand up.
Sir, you're telling me exhaustible resources. And petroleum is exhaustible.
Yeah, petroleum is exhaustible because it is taking so much time for itself to prepare. But we are using very easily. But let's see about this plant, oxygen. Are we getting oxygen instantly? Yes, we are getting. Within some time, as we are exhaling it, trees taking it in and it's providing us back. Yeah. Huh?
Oil.
Oil also there. Which oil? Sunflower oil. We will extract, we say, oils are not petrol kind. Oils are extracted from plants. Plants and trees. Don't get confused with this. Only petroleum products are taken from the surface. Those are exhaustible. But those which we are getting from plants, those depends on plant availability. Yeah. Okay, any other doubts? Okay. Can you add any other example? Example for inexhaustible?
20 minutes.
8.
Yeah, inexhaustible.
Sir, water.
Not sky.
Water.
Inexhaustible example?
Water.
Water,
Air.
oxygen. Okay, your friend is saying food. But how will you manage if there is so much population? Can we give food to everybody?
No, sir.
Have you heard of this green revolution?
No, sir.
No. See, in 1960s or 1970s, when we got independence, we are completely looted. I mean, by Britishers. They took everything away, and we are not having many sources of food. At those times, they made us to cultivate indigo and some kind of spices, which we can't eat, but they made us to do it for commercial purpose, for selling it to other countries. They did everything for their selfishness. That's it. So after they left us, we couldn't reach our requirement, food requirement. Then we went into hunger crisis. You can hear it, like if somebody, maybe some of you know. Like there is a story, not story, it was true. Many people were dead with hunger itself. Yeah, the starvation, lack of food. That's why we can't say add this food into inexhaustible. But this water and air, so far we didn't get any problem with this. See, even somebody says, sir, water is getting more polluted and there is very less water available for us for drinking. But still water is there, right? We are the reason for changing its structure. Huh?
In ground also there is water.
Yeah, water is there, but just we are not using it properly. There is
No,
so
we
much
can
water
change
in
salt
sea
water
and there is
to-
so much water in
Sir,
drainage.
now we can change salt water to pure water, sir.
Yeah.
This is water.
Yeah, in some of the countries there may be some
Sir,
problem
in
with
submarines also
Sir,
there
I
is
don't
like water like this.
in submarines they carry water on their own with water. Okay? Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Let us quickly recall what we studied in this class.
What are the exhaustible resources?
Stand up and say.
What are the exhaustible resources?
Water,
Exhaustible resources.
yeah, exhaustible resources.
Inexhaustible resources.
Okay.
And
Thank
how
you. About petroleum and how petroleum is very good.
Of petroleum.
Okay, thank you.